Total station surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and mapping. These professionals utilize advanced equipment called total stations to measure distances, angles, and elevations on the land. This technology enables accurate and efficient surveying, making it an essential tool for various industries such as construction, architecture, and urban planning. Raj Nagar in Ghaziabad is a rapidly developing area with numerous construction projects and infrastructure developments taking place. Total station surveyors in Raj Nagar are in high demand as they provide accurate measurements and data that are essential for the success of these projects. One of the leading companies providing total station surveying services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is SCON Design. SCON Design is a renowned firm that specializes in various aspects of civil engineering and land surveying. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who are proficient in using total stations to carry out surveys with precision and accuracy. Whether it is a small-scale residential project or a large-scale commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise to deliver reliable surveying solutions. In addition to Raj Nagar, SCON Design also offers its total station surveying services in Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of India and has a diverse range of construction projects and infrastructure developments. The total station surveyors from SCON Design are well equipped to handle the unique challenges posed by the city's urban environment. They can efficiently collect data, analyze it, and provide accurate measurements that are required for various construction and development projects in Delhi. Overall, total station surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad play a vital role in ensuring the success of construction projects and infrastructure developments in the area. The field of land surveying and mapping is very important, and total station surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, play a major role in this. These experts measure distances, angles, and elevations on the ground using sophisticated equipment called total stations. This technology makes surveying accurate and effective, making it a vital tool for many sectors of the economy, including building, design, and urban planning. Raj Nagar in Ghaziabad is a neighborhood that is quickly growing, with many construction projects and infrastructure improvements ongoing. Since precise measurements and data are necessary for the success of these projects, total station surveyors in Raj Nagar are in high demand. SCON Design is one of the top firms offering total station surveying services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. A well-known company with specialties in several areas of civil engineering and land surveying is SCON Design. They have a group of expert surveyors on staff that are skilled and knowledgeable about using total stations to conduct surveys accurately and precisely. SCON Design has the knowledge to provide dependable surveying solutions, regardless of whether the project is a small-scale home undertaking or a large-scale commercial development. SCON Design provides its total station surveying services in Delhi,